Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find and recover deleted game in Playstore quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Playstore app. Make sure you're already signed in to your Google account before we move forward, or this won't work. Step 2. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon, which opens up a drop-down menu with some important options. Step 3. Now from the list, find the option that says Manage Apps and Device and tap on it. Once you're in, go to the Manage section. This is where all your apps are organized. Step 4. All right, now locate the device filter at the top of this screen. Tap on it, then choose Not Installed. This shows all the apps you've previously deleted or removed from your device. Step 5. At this point, you'll see a list of apps that are no longer installed on your phone. To make things easier, tap on the Games tab near the top. This will filter the list and show only your deleted games. Step 6. Once you see the game you want to bring back, simply tap on its name. It will take you to the Play Store page for that game, and from there, just tap the download button at the top. That's it. Your game will start downloading, and you've successfully recovered it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.